Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIHD. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past 2 days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. But want to get the chart updated here. Although I guess update's probably not the right word. More so confirmation would be an accurate term. And the reason for that all revolves really around this red line here. I realize this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Friday. But if you didn't, I talked about 88 cents being a level of resistance. And, circling back to that word confirmation. And the confirmation we got today was, yeah, I talked about this being an area of resistance, and that's definitely, what took place today. Multiple times, the price, you can just see a lot of price congestion around that area. Sure, a couple times the price got above the area, a couple times the price didn't quite get that high. So, case in point, like I said, hopefully we can all agree that, yeah, there is quite a bit of price congestion right here at the 88 cent area. So as I talked about in the video on Friday, that's a level of resistance, and it's been confirmed, as a location where their sellers are hanging out. So don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that 88 cents is impossible to break above or anything, but apparently, according to the story of the chart, the bulls are going to need to bring their A game if they're going to get a true break. A true break having two parts. First part, always the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has got to be able to break above a certain level. But the second part is, can the price maintain above the break? Can the price stay above the level that it broke above? And, this is where we have, step one complete, broke above. Step one complete, broke above. Step one complete, broke above. But in each of these three instances, when it came to step two, maintaining, you can see couldn't maintain, and then once again couldn't maintain. So 88 cents, definitely that stubborn area and that current key level of resistance that needs to be broken and closed above. From a support standpoint, as I talked about in yesterday's or in Friday's video, nothing here has changed. You still have the level down here at the 65 cent area. And then the next and ideal level that you want to see the price stay above is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. So not a terrible day by any stretch, but still work to be done. And that first quote-unquote work to be done is get there at 88 cents and breaking above it and closing above it. So we'll see what the bulls have in store. Still 3 days left this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.